Hello everybody and welcome to week 2, day 2 of our mobility program. Kicking us off today, we're going to start with a pike into a single arm return. You're going to begin in a quadruped position, so hands underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hips. You'll first rise up on your toes and bring your hips into the air, where you will then remove one arm, wrap it around your waist, and then stabilize yourself as you descend back to your starting position. Alternate between the left and the right side for as many reps as instructed on your program. Moving on, we're going to be heading towards our TRX row, scapular protraction. So if you've ever done a TRX row before, you're going to keep your chest up, shoulders back, and make sure that your elbows are close to your sides as you perform the rowing motion. During this exercise, our concentric or shortening motion will be the same. We will be rowing up, however, we will descend in the lift while allowing our shoulder blades to travel forward and also lowering our hips simultaneously. Our next exercise is a dead bug. With this exercise, we're going to start out with our palms facing each other, arms straight out in front of you, and knees at a parallel position, so knees in line with our hips, where we will then alternate extending and bringing back one arm back behind us and extending the opposite leg. Ensure that as you are extending that leg, you keep it close to the ground but without touching it, and that your toe is pulled towards your shin. Inhale as you are extending both the arm and the leg, and then exhale as you return to your starting position. The dead bug is a great exercise for hip and shoulder mobility as well as core stability. Next, we'll be doing our wall hip airplane. We have done this exercise multiple times in the past, so if you have any questions on how to execute the exercise, please look to those previous videos. Our new exercise for today will also include a single leg RDL. With this exercise, you will post up on one foot, where you will hinge at the hips, pushing those hips backwards. So pretend like you're shutting a drawer with your butt, and then you will make sure that your other leg is at a hooked angle. We're going to slow every single motion in this exercise. So 3 seconds down, 3-second hold when your upper body is parallel to the ground, and then 3 seconds on the way up. Inhale as you descend in the lift, and then exhale as you stand upright. This exercise is great for hip mobility as well as coordination and balance. Finally, we are doing our shin box switch. We covered this exercise in previous videos, but for today, if you would like to up the intensity, then include a kettlebell or dumbbell to hold while you are performing.